In Santa Rosa, we believe that parks make life better. Parks are where simple, healthy, happy things happen, where neighbors exercise and chat, children play, and communities bond. At Santa Rosa's Coffee Neighborhood Park, this was true for over 30 years. 3 decades worth of fun and memories were packed into the 5 acres of this special park. But in the early hours of October 9th, 2017, one of the worst fires in California history raced through the Coffee Park neighborhood, claiming 5 lives, nearly all the homes, and the cherished neighborhood park. As they settled into rental homes and met with contractors, Coffee Park neighbors began to reconnect and work together to rebuild their park. There were school projects where children designed the park of their dreams and shared their dreams with park planners.
Our students were able to help design the park, the plans, what should be in the park.
Fundraising campaigns were launched and facilitated by the Santa Rosa Parks Foundation with donations from Kaiser Permanente, Rotary, and many organizations and private individuals.
For Kaiser Permanente, this is something very meaningful to us. It's not just about health, but it's about the total wellness of our community. We have been very dedicated, as you know, many of you know, to the fire recovery efforts in Sonoma County and across Santa Rosa. Had over 220 physicians and staff lose their homes in the fire. For us, this is part of our ongoing commitment to our community to really build that wonderful resilience.
This small role that I play in the rebuild of the park has really meant a lot to me. I can't wait to enjoy the park.
From the very beginning, we knew we wanted to be a part of helping rebuild this community treasure. We are really looking forward to the reopening of the Coffee Neighborhood Park, as well as all the neighbors most likely are too.
A public art project took form, commemorating Coffee Park's history through art that symbolizes renewal.
We made these raindrop sculptures for everybody to enjoy, but especially with children and the future in mind.
The artwork is titled Wellspring. It's actually sited in a rain garden, and we took the theme of water as inspiration, and there's intersecting raindrop pattern in the mosaic symbolizes the interconnectedness and resiliency of the Coffee Park community.
We wanted to do something different, something special, something unique, and that's why the art project was what worked out for us. We wanted to do it for the children.
And the city of Santa Rosa conducted a robust outreach and park design campaign.
I wanted to say that I've had so much fun working with everyone in the Coffee Park neighborhood on developing this park.
It's been an honor and a privilege to be involved in the design for the rebuilding of Coffee Park. It's especially meaningful for me, as this is also my neighborhood. I can't wait to join you all in enjoying our new park.
We're so honored to be a part of this build. We've been a part of the community and helping with the fire cleanups, and we wanted to make sure that we did a nice project and good quality for the community to enjoy for years to come.
Such an exciting time to be part of Northwest Santa Rosa here in Coffee Neighborhood Park. A wonderful collaboration between the city of Santa Rosa, the students from Schaefer Elementary School, and the community surrounding this park. It is a jewel for the city of Santa Rosa. I can't wait to see everyone come out of here, enjoy this park for years to come. Welcome.
Normally, a master planning process to construct and design a new park takes well over 3 years. We began the master planning process for Coffee Park in August of 2018. It's your hard work and dedication as neighbors that have led to the quick completion of this park, and I'm really looking forward to you enjoying your new park.
I know I can speak for all of Coffee Park when I say we're unbelievably excited to see this project come to completion and have our Coffee Neighborhood Park reopen. Having the park reopen is symbolic of not only the neighborhood's recovery, but that of the neighbors themselves. Thank you to everybody involved in this project. This effort was a giant undertaking. Thank you to Coffee Strong and the members that helped from day one make this a priority and get it rebuilt. Thank you to Sasha Butler, Geraldine Stone, Lonnie Jolliffe, Trish Woods, Pamela Van Helsema, and the fundraising team of Michelle Rahm and Bob Clamp.
Together with the city, residents made plans to not only rebuild, but to reimagine a park for the future.
We can't wait to go on the play structure. Yay!
The thing that is most exciting to me is seeing the plants and the trees that they brought in.
We're excited for the dog park! One thing I'm really excited about the park is the swings to open back up again.
I'm looking forward to the exercise course, and I'm also excited that the park is back and that the neighborhood is back.
While all that was lost here can never be replaced, this new park will stand as a testament to the resilience of a neighborhood and a community. This park will once again be a place to celebrate life, precious life, where neighbors make memories together for generations to come.